Here we go. There's the release, the run, and the jump.
Gananoque was nuts about mutts about the Thousand Islands over the weekend in the town park. Great weather, great crowds, and great competitions made for a great first-time event. The all-canine sporting event featured the Thousand Islands Dock Dogs Club, which held the event in conjunction with the Thousand Islands accommodation partners. In addition, a disc trial was held on both Saturday and Sunday, as well as the Fast and Furry performance team from Toronto had 2 shows on Saturday. Over 200 competitors participated over the weekend, coming from all over Ontario, Quebec, New York State, and Vermont in the Dock Dog events, which included Big Air, Extreme Vertical, and Speed Retrieve. Some of them participated in both the disc trials and Dock Dogs events. Dock Dogs is the world's fastest growing canine sport, involving a 40-foot dock and 40-foot pool of water, any breed of dog, and foldable toy. Dock Dog events are held regionally, nationally, and internationally. For more information on Thousand Islands Dock Dogs, log on to their website at thousandislandsdockdogs.com. In Gananoque, Dale Elliott, BNTV News.